In this question, we need to factor the example x minus 2, plus 2 minus x. In our previous example, we had two brackets that had the same numbers inside. But as we can see, in our first bracket we have x minus 2, and our second bracket is 2 minus x. So because these brackets aren't the same, that means we're going to have to use our distribution laws and distribute this x, and then this positive 1. So x times x gives us x squared, and then x times negative 2 gives us negative 2x. And then this positive 1 can be distributed through, but we know anything multiplied by positive 1 gives us itself, so we're going to have positive 2 minus x. Now we want to group together like terms. Our like terms are this negative 2x and this negative x. So when we add our coefficients, we get x squared minus 3x plus 2. Now we have to work on factoring this polynomial. So to do this, we need to see what factors of 2 add together to give us negative 3. So let's write these out on our side. Well, 2 is a prime number, so the only factors are 1 and itself. But our answer is positive 2, so that means we can also have negative 1 times negative 2 to give us positive 2. Now we need to find which one of these factors add together to give us negative 3. Well, if we add 1 to 2, we get positive 3, and if we add negative 1 to negative 2, we get negative 3. So our factors are going to be negative 1 and negative 2. So using these factors, we can now set up our brackets. Both set of brackets have to contain an x, so we'll start each bracket with an x. Then you can put your negative 1 and your negative 2 in either bracket. So we'll place our negative 1 in our first bracket and our negative 2 in the second bracket. So this is our completely factored out, but we just want to make sure and double check. So we're going to take this x and multiply it by everything inside the second bracket. X times x gives us x squared, x times negative 2 gives us negative 2x, and then now we're done with this x and we move on to our negative 1. Negative 1 times x gives us negative x, and negative 1 times negative 2 gives us positive 2. Grouping together our like terms, we get x squared minus 3x plus 2. This answer was the same as this polynomial above, so that means our answer of x minus 1, x minus 2 was correct and was our factored out answer.